Yeah. Oh, y'all waiting on me to say something? Oh. I guess I can't talk. Okay. Okay. What's up, YouTube? This is l.a.breeze and welcome back to my channel. I know I have not posted in a while. Please do not judge me. I've been very busy. Very busy. Because it's been 6 months. And over 6 months. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to get back into this. I'm going to try to post a video at least once every week. Twice a week if I'm feeling real good. I'm feeling real good. No. But anywho, I'm going to try to keep up with the videos. I know I've slacked off and I shouldn't because I really enjoy YouTube. I really enjoy putting videos out there. I really enjoy talking to you guys. And I kind of miss doing it. You know, I like having fun with makeup and seeing what else I can do. But when you got a job, that requires a lot of time. It's hard to make videos on the weekends because then you get a little tired. I'm just saying. Not saying that it can be done, because I'm pretty sure there's other people out there that make videos that work 9 to 5s and got kids and stuff just like me and husbands and all kind of crazy stuff going on. And they find ways to make videos, and yeah, I slacked off. And so there's no excuse, and I'm not trying to make one. So I'm coming to you with this look today. Hopefully you like it. Did I see anybody with it? Nope. Did I make it up? Yep. Does that mean that somebody else has never done this before? Nope. It's just that I've never seen anybody do it before. So I sat down and I knew I wanted to do blue. Me and my girlfriends, actually a couple of us, we did blue makeup, and I never did do my blue makeup. I kind of switched up on them and did something else. So I'm going to come to you today with Blue Ocean, Deep Blue Sea. I don't know. I might name it Deep Blue Sea or Deep Ocean. That sounds kind of good. I don't know. We'll see what I put down in the description box. So I'm not going to talk you to death. I'm going to go ahead and let you go so you can watch this video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, bell, ding. Yeah, y'all see that, right? Don't judge me. Yeah, don't judge me. I'm looking a little messed up here. But that's okay, because I'm finna do these. Yes, sometimes I do my own nails. Sometimes I let the other people do them. But yeah. See the way my bank account is set up? My checking is in my savings. And it's going to take 3 business days. So that's why I got to do these myself. But it's alright. But anywho, let's go ahead and get into the video. Can't talk. Like, subscribe, share, button, ding it, bing it, so y'all know when I post them videos. Alright, let's get into this here. Deep Blue Sea, Ocean, whatever I'm gonna name it. Look, holla at your girl at the end of the video. Also, leave your comments down below. I will get back to you. Holla!